Hi all 10 standard. How are you? Fine? Okay. All set for today's video lecture? क्या देखने वाले हम लोग आज? We are going to study one important problem from AP, Arithmetic Progression. Algebra का वीडियो बहुत दिन से हुआ नहीं है, so let us have it today. All set? Okay. देखेंगे. This is an important sum from miscellaneous exercise or problem set you can say from the chapter of AP for 10th. Let us go straight away to the problem. There are 37 terms in an AP. The sum of 3 terms placed exactly at the middle is 225 and sum of the last 3 terms is 429. Write the AP. इसका मीनिंग क्या है? तो पहले की स्टेप देखो. की स्टेप में यू हैव टू रिमेंबर मिडिल 3 टर्म्स ऑफ दैट एपी आर गिवन एज T18 plus T19 plus T20. Sum of the middle 3 terms, that is 225. The sum of 3 terms placed exactly at the center of 37 terms. So how do we get this? ये कहां से आ गया है? T18 plus T19 plus T20. Let's see. Terms of AP are T1, T2, T3, T4 up to T37. लंबा AP है, 37 terms. अभी इसमें first we have to see which is the centermost term, middle term, exact middle. Okay. Now there is a formula. Friends, remember there is a formula. If number of terms n equal to 37 is odd, 37 is an odd number. Number of terms T1 to T37, n equal to 37 is odd. Then the middle term is given by n plus 1 upon 2th term. N plus 1 divided by 2. That will give you the centermost term, which will be somewhere over here. Observe. T1 to T37, big AP. Middle term चाहिए. Okay? I couldn't write all these terms. No need also. Just imagine. So that middle term is given by the formula n plus 1 upon 2. N क्या है? 37. So 37 plus 1 upon 2th term. 37 plus 1 is 38. 38 upon 2th term, which is the 19th term. So the middle term is given by 19th term. यानी T1 to T37 की middle term है. That is the 19th term. तो अभी मैं just imagine, I'll just rub this. That is the midpoint you can say. T19. Centermost term. तो अभी उन्होंने बोला 3 middle terms. 3 middle terms यानी क्या? This is the centermost term. Take one to the left hand side which is T18. Take one to the right hand side which is T20. As simple as that. This is the center point. Left की एक term ले लो, right की एक term ले लो. T18, T19 and T20 will constitute the 3 middle terms. As simple as that. Right? So that is the key step. So according to the first condition, what is given? Sum of the 3 middle terms, that is T18 plus T19 plus T20 is 225, given condition. Sum of 3 middle terms. Now our usual formula which you know by heart, Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. ये लिखने के बाद we have already seen if you put n equal to 18, I am going to get T18. और यहाँ पे क्या होता है? 18 minus 1, 17. So while writing T18, I am going to write a plus 17d. एक कम लेने का, a plus 17d. Why? Because 18 minus 1 gives you 17. While writing T19, 19 minus 1, a plus 18d. While writing T20, 20 minus 1, a plus 19d. So I just substitute these values over here. T18, ये फॉर्मूला यहाँ पे यूज करने के बाद क्या आ गया है? T18 a plus 17d plus T19 A plus 18D plus T20 A plus 19D equal to 225. That is the first condition. एक बार ये फॉर्मूला लिखो और go on reducing by 1. Clear? So that is how we get our first equation, which we will write properly. A plus A is 3A. 17 plus 18, 35. 35 plus 19, 54D equal to 225. That is our first simultaneous equation, you can say. Okay? According to the first condition, which I am calling it as equation 2. Equation 2, why? Because I have already taken this as equation 1. Right? Okay. Second condition. Second condition तो बहुत simple है. See, sum of the last three terms is 429. अभी last three terms क्या है दोस्तों? Last three terms there is no formula direct, you can see. There is the last term. इसके पहले T36, इसके पहले T35. So which are the last three terms? T35, T36, T37. As simple as that. So sum of these three terms, T35 plus T36 plus T37 is 429. देखो, this is the second condition. Sum of last three terms is 429. Right? Again Tn का formula. Now you can also tell very easily. T35 A plus 34D. 35 में से एक कम करने का. T36 A plus 35D. T37 A plus 36D. तीनों ऐड करो 429. A plus A. Again 3A. 34 plus 35 plus 36. If you add, you get 105. You can check 105D equal to 429. That is our second simultaneous equation. Sum of the last three terms. Now you got two simultaneous equations. दोनों जगह पे 3A और 3A है. So we will subtract one equation from the other. Simple. When you have same terms with same signs, you have to subtract one equation from the other. So which is the bigger equation? This is the bigger equation. So I will say subtract equation 2 from equation 3. Subtract the smaller equation from the bigger equation. We are solving the equation simultaneously to get the values of A and D. So subtract equation 2 from equation 3, which means first write equation 3 as it is. उसके नीचे equation 2 subtract करना है. Subtract यानी change the sign of each term. minus 3A, minus 54D and minus. यहाँ पे भी minus होगा. To subtract an equation means change the sign of each term. Every time I am telling right from the first chapter. Plus 3A minus 3A cancels. 105 minus 54 is 51. So 51D is equal to 204. Then D is equal to 204 upon 51. 51 fours are 204. So D equal to 4. So after you get D, you know, substitute value of D in the simpler equation, either 2 or 3. अभी A मिलेगा ना अपने को. So let us substitute the value of D in equation 2. Substitute over here. 3A, देखो यहाँ पे ऐसा आता है. 3A plus 54 into 4 equal to 225. Now 54 into 4 is 216. So 3A plus 216 is equal to 25, 225. D has gone here because D को यहाँ पे substitute 4 किया करने के बाद 216 आया. Now you know, okay, 3A is equal to 225 minus 216. Take 216 on the other side, so minus होगा. So 225 minus 216 gives you 9. So 3a equal to 9. So a equal to 9 upon 3. That is a equal to 3. A और D आ गया तो प्रॉब्लम खत्म ही हो गया. A and D are the main things. Then you can find out anything that is asked. Okay. So let us write the last step now. Okay. पूछा क्या है? Write the AP. Write the AP means all 37 terms नहीं, 4 terms are enough. 4 to 5 terms. So T1 is 3. T2, you know what to do. Earlier answer plus D. मार्क करता हूं. पहले का आंसर प्लस डी. पहले का आंसर प्लस डी. कितने टर्म्स चाहिए आपको? 5 बस हो गया ना. T4 फर्स्ट आंसर प्लस डी. और एक लिखेंगे T5 पहले का आंसर प्लस डी. बस हो गया. Now let us write the sequence. Final answer. Therefore AP is 3, 7, 11, 15, 19 and so on. That is our AP. Simple है ना प्रॉब्लम. की स्टेप याद रखना. How to find the middle term. n plus 1 upon 2. 37 plus 1 is 38. 38 upon 2 gives you T19. That is the centermost term. उसके साइड की एक टर्म लेने की, राइट साइड की एक टर्म लेने की. Why? Because 3 middle terms दिए. Sum of the 3 middle terms. तो पहले कंडीशन के लिए. लास्ट कंडीशन तो आसान ही है. लास्ट 3 टर्म्स यहाँ पे लिखा है ना. T35 plus T36 plus T37. Then solve the equation simultaneously. Get A and D. Do the usual stuff. Try to solve this on your own. बोर्ड में पूछा है 1-2 बार. 4 marks. Interesting sum. Hope you all enjoyed. Okay, practice करो. Enjoy more. Share it with your friends. Discuss. Doubt आया तो मैं है. Okay, that will be all for today. Bye.